Differentiation, unit number 4. This is very easiest unit. If you know the 3 definitions, then we can get the full marks from vector differentiation. First one is gradient. Gradient of a scalar point function. Scalar point function. First I will explain the definition, then problems. So it is denoted by grad phi. Grad phi is nothing but del phi. Del phi is nothing but I dou phi by dou x plus j dou phi by dou y plus k dou phi by dou z. Now this is first definition. The second one is divergence. Divergence of a vector point function. Vector point function. So it is denoted by div, div. Div equals to del dot f. Del dot f equals to I dou f1 by dou x plus dou f2 by dou y plus dou f3 by dou z, where f equals to vector f1i plus f2j plus f3k. Now third definition, curl. Curl of a vector point function. It is denoted by curl f. Curl f equals to del cross f equals to determinant of I, j, k, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, f1, f2, f3. Okay. Now problems. So these are all definitions of gradient, divergence, and curl. Okay. Now first we will discuss about 7th question. First we will discuss about the 7th question. If 7th question, first I will explain the question number 7. Question number 7. If A equals to x plus y plus z, B equals to x square plus y square plus z square, C equals to xy plus yz plus zx, then find box of grad A, grad B, grad C, or show that it is 0. Okay, now solution. So first we will find the gradient of A. First we will find gradient of A. Grad A equals to del A equals to I dou A by dou x plus j dou A by dou y plus k dou A by dou z. This is nothing but I into dou by dou x of A is x plus y plus z plus j into dou by dou y of x plus y plus z plus k into dou by dou z of x plus y plus z. Okay. Now we will find the partial derivatives. I into partial derivative with respect to x is 1, j into partial derivative with respect to y. So only one y term, derivative with respect to y is 1. So derivative with respect to z is k. So this is del A. In the similar way, gradient of B. Grad B equals to nothing but del B equals to I dou B by dou X plus J dou B by dou Y plus K dou B by dou Z. I into B is B equals to x square plus y square plus z square. So first find the partial derivative with respect to x, that is 2x. Directly I am writing the term. Now derivative with respect to y, that value is 2y plus k into derivative with respect to z is 2z. So del b equals to 2xi plus 2yj plus 2zk. In the similar way, we will find this is first gradient of A. This is gradient of B. In the similar way, we will find gradient of C. Grad C equals to del C equals to del C equals to I dou C by dou X plus J dou C by dou Y plus K dou C by dou Z. Now what is C here? XY plus YZ plus ZX. Now find the partial derivative with respect to X, Y and Z. Now del C equals to partial derivative with respect to x, I into partial derivative with respect to x, here y, here z, y plus z, plus j into partial derivative with respect to y, that is x plus z, plus k into partial derivative with respect to z is y plus x. Okay. Now we will find box of grad A, grad B, grad C. Gradient is nothing but gradient of A, gradient of B, gradient of C. Nothing but box of del A, del B, del C. Box is nothing but determinant of. So del A is I plus J plus K. So just take the coefficients, determinant, nothing but determinant 1, 1, 1. Now del B, in del B, the coefficients are 2x, 2y, 2z. 2x, 2y, 2z. Here del C coefficients y plus z, x plus z, y plus z. Okay. Just find the determinant of this matrix or apply row operations. Now I think this is very easy. R3 gives rise to 2R3 plus R2. Then what happened? 1, 1, 1, 2x, 2y, 2z. So 2 times of these y plus z plus 2x. Nothing but 2 times of x plus y plus z. Here also 2x plus 2z plus 2y. 2 times of x plus y plus z. Now here also 2 times. 2 times. Okay, I will correct it. Y plus x. Here also 2x plus 2y plus 2z. Now using the properties of determinants, here 2 times of x plus y plus z, same thing. Now common the term. 2 times of x plus y plus z. Determinant of 1, 1, 1. 2x, 2y, 2z. Properties of determinants 1, 1, 1. Now 2 rows are identical, then determinant is 0. So finally you will get box of grad A, grad B, grad C equals to 0. This is question number 7. Now coming to next model. I will send the soft copy, don't worry, just listen. Now find 7th question, then go to Second question. Okay. Second question. Question number 2. Question number 2. Find the directional derivative. So here we should know the definition. The directional derivative formula. The directional derivative of phi in the direction E bar at a point P is del phi dot E bar by mod E. So this is the formula for finding the directional derivative. In this situation, in this particular problem, find the directional derivative of this phi at this point, but in direction is differently given. So direction is the normal to the surface. Now what is the meaning? So I will write one more definition here. Normal to the surface is nothing but, I will write directly, normal to the surface is nothing but simply del f. Del f is nothing but, gradient of f is nothing but normal to the surface. In this situation, in this particular problem, assume f equals to, so just find the gradient of this function, you will get the direction. X log z minus y square. If it goes to left hand side, now simply plus 4. Okay. Find del f. So already just we discussed I dou f by dou x plus j dou f by dou y plus k dou f by dou z. I into partial derivative with respect to x here, only x term here into this one, log z. Okay. Plus j into partial derivative with respect to y. Y term is this one, y square derivative is minus 2y. Plus k into partial derivative with respect to z, log z derivative is 1 by z. Okay. So yet direction at the point -1 to 1 is also given. At the point what is the point? -1 to 1. So del f equals to, just substitute x equals to -1, y equals to 2, z equals to 1. So log z, log 1 equals to 0, not required. Jth quotient y equals to 2 minus 4j. Okay. Next x by z is minus k. So here direction is this normal. So let E bar equals to del f, because direction is normal to the given surface, that is minus 4j minus k. Up to this clear. Now okay, direction is given. Now we will find del f, del pi. E bar is known. So then after that we will find modulus of E bar. Finally we will evaluate this quantity. Okay. So modulus of E bar equals to square root of 4 square plus 1 square. That is root 17. Now given that phi equals to, what is the given function? Phi equals to this one. Okay. What is phi value? X square yz plus 4x z square. Okay, this is not required. Now find del phi. Del phi equals to I dou phi by dou x. I dou phi by dou x plus j dou phi by dou y j dou phi by dou y plus k dou phi by dou z. Now find the gradient I into partial derivative with respect to x. Here partial derivative with respect to x is 2xyz. Here x derivative is 1 plus 4z square plus j into partial derivative with respect to y. Here only one y term. So x square z plus k into partial derivative with respect to z is here z term x square y. Here z square derivative is 2z, that is 8xz. At which point a point is given 2 minus 1, 1. At the point 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1. Del phi equals to, now simplify the value, I into 2 times of x plus y plus z, that is minus 4, plus z square into 4, that is 4, plus j into x square z is 4, plus k into x square y is minus 4, plus 8xz is 16. Okay. Now 4j plus 12k. Now all are known. Del phi is known, A bar is known, mod A bar is also known. Now directional derivative. The directional derivative is del phi dot E bar by mod E bar. Now del phi is known, 4j plus 12k dot E bar is also known, so minus 4j minus k by root 70. So dot product is nothing but jth coefficient minus 16 minus 12 by root 17. So 20, so value is minus 20, minus 28 by root 17. Okay. Check the numerical calculation carefully. Now this is about second question. Now coming to third question. Again another directional derivative problem is given. So here okay. Eighth question. So find the directional derivative of the function here f at the point 1, 2, 3 in the direction of the line. So E bar is given in the line PQ bar. So here what is E bar? E bar equals to PQ bar. PQ bar equals to, using vector algebra concept, OQ bar minus OP bar. So point notation for a vector is 504. Vector notation is 5y plus 0j plus 4k. In the similar way, vector notation of P is I plus 2j plus 3k. So simply 4i minus 2j plus, sorry, this is k, plus k. So E bar is also known. What is modulus of E bar? Square root of 4 square plus 2 square plus 1 square. So root 21. Okay. Now we will find gradient of F. F equals to x square minus y square plus 2z square. Now we will find del F. I dou F by dou x plus j dou F by dou y plus k dou F by dou z. Now partial derivatives with respect to x. That is 2xi minus 2yj plus 4zk. So at the point, which point? At the point P. At the point P, 1, 2, 3, del F equals to, so put x equals to 1, y equals to 2, z equals to 3, that is 2i minus 4j plus 12k. Now directional derivative. The directional derivative equals to, here f del f dot E bar by mod E bar. Del f equals to 2i minus 4j plus 12k dot product with E bar. E bar is 4i minus 2j, 4i minus 2j plus k divided by root 21. Okay. Now dot product, 2 4s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 12 1s are 12 by root 21. So 28 by root 21 is answer. Okay. So in the similar way, we can find the directional derivatives. Now coming to next model. Next model, this one. Find the angle between, okay, I will copy this question. Find the angle between, okay, I will read out. Right. This is question number 1. Find the angle between the tangent planes to the surface. Now very, very important. Suppose this is first surface. Now this is another surface. Okay, this is S1 and S2. At a common point 1, 1, 1. So common point is this one. At this point, what is the angle between these two? These two surfaces is nothing but angle between this normal and this normal. Then what is the angle? This is the question. So for this purpose, first find the normal to this surface. Then we will find the normal to another surface. Then finally we will find the angle theta equals to cos inverse of. So first one is del F, A dot B, nothing but A bar and B bar by mod del F into mod del G. So using the simple formula, suppose if you want to find the angle between two vectors, cos inverse of A bar dot B bar by mod A bar into mod B bar. Using here A bar is nothing but del F, normal is nothing but del F. So first we will find, so F equals to x log z minus y square plus 1. If it goes to one side, In the similar way, g equals to x square y plus z minus 2. Okay, now we will find both gradients. Del f I dou f by dou x plus j dou f by dou y plus k dou f by dou z. So partial derivative with respect to x. So log z. Now 2yj. Here there is log z derivative is 1 by z. Okay. In the similar way, find the gradient of g. I dou g by dou x plus j dou g by dou y plus k dou g by dou z. Now I into partial derivative with respect to x is 2x, the x square derivative is 2x y plus y into plus j into y derivative is 1 x square plus k into z derivative is 1. Remaining terms are treated as constant. So at the point, at which point you have to find the angle 1, 1, 1. At the point 1, 1, 1, del f equals to, very simple, just put x equals to 1, y equals to 1, z equals to 1. So this is I into I. Log 1 is 0. So here minus 2j plus k. In a similar way, del g equals to, if you put x equals to 1, y equals to 1, z equals to 1, 2y plus j plus k. Now angle. The angle between the two surfaces is theta equals to cos inverse of del f dot del g by mod del f mod del g. Okay. Cos inverse of del f, that is minus 2y plus k dot product 2y plus j plus k divided by mod del f is 2 square plus 1. Mod del g is 2 square plus 1 plus 1. Now after simplifying, cos inverse of, so ith quotient just multiply here, this is j. Ith quotient, here there is no ith quotient, 0. First term is 0. Second jth quotient minus 2. Kth quotient is 1. Divided by root 5 into root 6. Okay, finally theta equals to cos inverse of minus 1 by root 30. Okay, whatever it may be, just calculate, verify the calculation. This is also very simple question. First question is also completed. So first question is completed, second one is completed, and seventh one is also completed. Now eighth sum is also completed. Okay, now coming to divergence and curl. Okay, I will take this problem. Sixth question. Shall I continue?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now this is question number 7th or 6th. Sixth question. Okay. So in this particular problem, f equals to gradient of x power 4 plus y power 4 plus z power 4 minus 2x square y cube z square. Find the divergence and curl at the point 1, 2, 1. Okay. So what is f? F equals to gradient of x power 4 plus y power 4 minus 2x square y cube z square. Okay. Now what is the gradient? I dou by dou x of this entire term. x power 4 plus y power 4 minus 2x square y cube z square plus j into dou by dou y of same x power 4 plus y power 4.
Sir, Z power 4 రాయలేదు.
Okay. Okay. Plus z power 4. You are correct. Let's z power 4 minus 2x cube y cube x square y cube z square. Okay. Now we will find the and also third term plus k into dou by dou z of x power 4 plus y power 4 plus z power 4 minus 2x square y cube z square. Now we will find the gradient. First, I into partial derivative with respect to x. So x term is x power 4 and also this term. X power 4 derivative is 4x cube. Okay. Now x term is this one, minus 4 x square derivative is 2x, 4x y cube z square. Okay, fine. Plus j into partial derivative with respect to y. 4y cube. So y cube derivative is 3y square. 6 x square y square z square plus k into partial derivative with respect to z. 4z cube. So z square derivative is 2z. 4x square y cube z. Okay, this is f. Now we will find divergence of f. Okay. So now we will find the divergence of f. Divergence of f is nothing but dou f1 by dou x plus dou f2 by dou y plus dou f3 by dou z. What is f1? This is f1. This is f2. This is f3. Okay. So using this one, dou by dou x of 4x cube minus 4xy cube z square plus dou by dou y of second term 4y cube minus 6x square y square z plus dou by dou z of kth quotient 4z cube minus 4x square y cube z. Now find the partial derivatives. So partial derivative with respect to x is 3x square, that is 12x square. Here partial derivative with respect is 1, 4y cube z square plus with respect to y, 12y square. With respect to y is minus 12x square yz. With respect to z, 12z square. Here only one z term, x square z cube. So point is not given, any point is not, okay, point is also given, 1 to 1. Okay, then at the point 1 to 1, this is divergence of f. Divergence of f equals to 12 into 1 minus 4 into y cube is 8 z plus 12 into 4 minus 12 into x square is 1, y is 2, z is 1 plus 12 into z square is 1. Okay, my 4 into x square is 1, z cube is 8. Okay, find out the value, numerical value, you will get the value. In the similar way, we will find curl f. Curl f equals to determinant of I, j, k, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, f1, f2, f3. Okay. Already f1, f2, f3 are known. Okay, I will take bigger one. I, j, k, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. So F1 term, F1 is 4x cube, 4x cube minus 4 xy cube z square. Dou by dou y. Dou by dou y is 4y cube, 4y cube minus 6x square y square z. Okay. Now F3 term, 4z cube, 4x square, 4x square y cube z. Okay. Now find the determinant. Determinant is also very easy. I into dou by dou y of this term. So now find the partial derivative with respect to y. So this is 0. Directly you will get minus 12 x square y square z minus z, partial derivative with respect to z, minus or minus plus 6x square y square. This is first term. J into, now dou by dou x of this term, x partial derivative with respect to x. 4z cube, sorry, this is 0, minus 8x y cube z minus, okay, right. So dou by dou z of this term, dou by dou z of this term is minus or minus plus 8xy cube z plus k into, now again partial derivative with respect to x, minus 12x y square z. Dou by dou y value is minus 12x y square z square. Now at the point, some point is given 1 to 1. At the point 1 to 1, curl f equals to, put x equals to 1, y equals to 2, z equals to 1. So you will get the required value. 4 into 1 plus 6 into 1 into 4 minus z something something remaining terms. Now find out the vector quantity. This is very simple. Just substitute and calculate the value. Okay. Sixth question is also completed. Now coming to third question. This is also most important question. Most important question. Now solution. A vector field is given, f equals to some vector is given. Show that the field f is irrotational. Irrotational is nothing but curl f equals to 0 bar. First show that curl f equals to 0 bar and also find the scalar potential. Scalar potential is nothing but del phi equals to, scalar potential is nothing but phi, satisfying the condition del phi equals to f. Okay, we will find the scalar function phi, nothing but scalar potential. Okay, I will explain one by one, but this model is most important for final examination purpose. F equals to x square minus y square plus x into I minus 2xy plus y into j. Okay, find curl f. Curl f equals to already just evaluated the value dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, ith quotient x square minus y square plus x, jth quotient minus 2xy plus y. Okay, jth quotient is not given, 0. Okay. Okay. First I, dou by dou I of 0 is 0. Dou by dou z of this, here there is no z term, 0. J into dou by dou x of 0 is 0. Dou by dou z, here there is no z term, 0. Plus k into dou by dou x of this term is here only one term minus 2y. Dou by dou y value is plus 2y. So these two are cancelled. Finally 0i plus 0j plus 0k, nothing but 0 bar. So if curl f equals to 0 bar, then we say that therefore f is irrotational. Irrotational. This is a very, very important concept in fluid dynamics. Irrotational fluids. Okay. Now coming to scalar potential. Let f equals to del phi. Del phi is nothing but I dou phi by dou x plus j dou phi by dou y plus k dou phi by dou z. Okay. F value is, f is known, x square minus y square plus x into I minus 2xy plus x, I think. Oh, plus y. Okay. Plus y. J. Okay, 0k equals to I dou phi by dou x plus j dou. Now we will find the phi. Phi is unknown quantity. Now we will find phi. So comparing left side and both sides, comparing on both sides, dou phi by dou x, sorry. Right. Dou phi by dou x equals to ith quotient, x square minus y square plus x. Dou phi by dou y equals to minus 2xy plus y. Dou phi by dou z equals to 0. Okay. Integrating on both sides with respect to x. So now here we will get phi equals to integrating only x terms. Y terms are treated as constant. X cubed by 3 minus xy square plus x square by 2 plus some constant. I will take it as, here y and z are treated as constant. I will take some function of yz. Here integrating with respect to y, phi equals to, with respect to y, minus 2xy square by 2 plus y square by 2 plus some integral constant. Here if you integrate with respect to y, other two variables are constant. I will take xz. Here integrating with respect to z, only constant, and here x and z are constant. From these three, sorry, here yz. From these three, generalize phi. Very simple technique. First write these three terms, x cubed by 3, xy square plus x square by 2. Now coming to These two are cancelled. Here pi minus xy square already there, so no need to write again. Y square by 2, so there is no y square by 2 right here. Here there is no other terms. This is our required. This is the required scalar potential. If you have any doubt, then again find the partial derivative, find the gradient, you will get directly f. Suppose if you want to check the answer, find the gradient of phi, directly you will get the given problem f. So this is about third question. So this is also completed. So we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 4 questions are there. Okay. Tomorrow I will continue the remaining question, or today. Shall I continue or?
Sir, continue, sir.
Continue చేసేనా పర్వాలేదా నువ్వు ఉండగలరా దాన్ని చూసుకోండి మీరు
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
నో ప్రాబ్లం దెన్ ఓకే ఓకే ఐ విల్ కాపీ బోత్ ద క్వశ్చన్స్ I will copy both the questions, then we will discuss the remaining. So these 4 problems are look like similar. Okay. So I don't know the number, so randomly I will write the number 4, 4, then 5. Okay. First we will discuss the solution of 4, then we will discuss the solution of 5. Okay. So for the remaining 4 problems, we will use another notation. Now, very, very important notation. So gradient of phi is simply del phi is nothing but sigma I dou phi by dou x. Instead of writing the 3 terms, simply I will write I dou phi by dou x. Divergence of f is del dot f. Simply I will write I dot dou by dou f by dou x. If you expand these 3, you will get the same I dot dou f by dou x and the remaining 2 terms j dot dou f by dou y plus k dot dou f by dou z. Now curl f equals to del cross f sigma I cross dou f by dou x. So these 3 are definitions, sigma notations, and also we will use another important result. R bar equals to xi plus yj plus zk. Small r equals to modulus of r bar is nothing but square root of x square plus y square plus z square. So dou r by dou x equals to x by r. Okay. Just I am writing the direct result y by r. Dou r by dou z equals to z by r. Very simple, squaring on both sides and find the partial derivative with respect to x, y, z, you will get these 3. In the similar way, dou r bar by dou x equals to I. Okay, we will discuss the third question. So we will use these conditions for solving these 3, the remaining 4 questions. Okay. 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 Okay, listen carefully. Now, solution or proof, whatever it may be, both are same. Divergence of r bar, r power n into r bar equals to n plus 3 into r power n. So this is our question. So now I will prove this result. Okay. Divergence of, I will take left hand side, r bar. Sigma orientation is sigma I dot dou by dou x of r power n into r bar. So differentiate using UV formula. Sigma I dot first r power n into derivative of r bar. Dou r bar by dou x plus r power n derivative is n into r power n minus 1 into dou r by dou x into r bar. So r power n derivative is n into r power n minus 1. Inner function derivative is dou r by dou x into r bar. Okay. Now, sigma I dot r power n into dou r bar by dou x. Dou r bar by dou x equals to I. This is I. Plus n into r power n minus 1 into dou r by dou x is x by r into r bar. Okay. Now coming to dot product. I dot I equals to 1. So first term is r power n. N r power n minus 2. R power n minus 2 by r is nothing but r power n minus 2. I dot r bar. Now this is another very, very important. So r bar equals to xi plus yj plus zk with dot product I is x. So I will write here I dot r bar equals to x. Okay. Now this is, sorry. I dot r bar equals to x. Okay, fine. Here x by r is also there into x. Now it is correct. Now I will expand. Now I will expand the summation. R power n plus n into, okay, wait, okay, already written. This is minus 1. N r power n minus 2 into x is x square is the first term. In the expansion, second term, replace x by y. R power, remaining terms are same. Y square. R power n plus n r power n minus 2 into z square. Now, simplification, r power n, 3r power n plus n into r power n minus 2 is the common term in these three terms into x square plus y square plus z square. Now, and also x square plus y square plus z square is nothing but in this expression, squaring on both sides, you will get r square. So this value is r square. 3 r power n plus n into r power n minus 2 into r square. So r power n is the common term. This is 3 plus n. This is r power n minus 2 and r square is r power n. So finally, n plus 3 into r power n. This is divergence of r power n into r bar. So this is also another most important result. Frequently, you will get the same question in the examination. So this is fourth question. Now coming to fifth question. Okay, question is missed. This one. Fifth question. Divergence of gradient of r power n equals to divergence of gradient of r power n equals to n into n plus 1 into r power n minus 2. This is also another very, very important question. So first we will find the gradient of r power n. Gradient of r power n through for solution. Del r power n. I dou r power n by dou x plus j dou r power n by dou y plus k dou r power n by dou z. Okay. So find the partial derivatives. N into r power n minus 1, r power n derivative, I into dou r by dou x. Here also same derivative, j into dou r by dou y plus k into dou r by dou z. So dou r by dou x equals to already discussed recently, x by r. So xi by r plus yj by r, zk by r. So divided by r is not, so this is 1. N r power n minus 2 into, so xi plus yj plus zk is nothing but r bar. So very simple, gradient of r power n. So simply, easily we can understand, very easy method. Gradient of r power n is r power n derivative is n into r power n minus 1 into del r. Del r equals to, simple way, r bar by r. Nothing but n into r power n minus 2 into r bar. So using this concept, directly we can find the value, otherwise we will find in detail. Now we will find the divergence of this term. Okay. Wait. Divergence of gradient of r power n equals to divergence of n into r power n minus 2 into r bar. So if you want to solve easily, okay, I will show you a simple technique. Okay, we can apply the same technique, previous technique, or what is the previous result? Divergence of r power n into r bar equals to n plus 3, I think. N plus 3 into r power n minus 2. Am I correct? Previous result. So we are, suppose if you use the same concept, you will get the required answer. Directly you will get the required answer. What is the answer? In place of n, write n minus 2. Then what happened? N into n minus 2. Replace n by n minus 2. N minus 2 plus 3 into r power n minus 2. R power n minus 2 directly n into n plus 1 into r power n minus 2. But don't apply this technique in the examination. So solve similarly. So whatever, or copy this entire solution. Copy entire solution or solve similarly. Okay. I will explain. This is the easiest way. So if you know the result, this result, first prove this result, then apply here. Or I will explain the technique. First to prove this result, then apply this one. Directly you will get the solution. Otherwise, directly we will apply. So this quantity is n into sigma I dot dou by dou x of same procedure r power n minus 2 into r bar. Now differentiate using UV formula. Are you able to solve this question? Same procedure. In the previous problem, r power n, here r power n minus 2.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you can easily find the value. Okay?
Okay.
Same procedure. In the previous question, r power n, now r power n minus 2. Only, okay, I will write one more step. Then easily you can understand. So using UV formula, r power n minus 2 into dou r bar by dou x plus n minus 2 into r power n minus 3 into dou r by dou x into r bar. So now dou r by dou x is I. This is x by r. Similarly, I dot r bar equals to x. Then easily you can simplify. You will get the required solution. Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then solve yourself. Then it is very easy. Don't worry. Now we have. So this is also completed. This is also complete, but this is the consequence of this one. From this one, we can directly find this value using 4 to 5. Now coming to remaining two questions. Okay, I will copy. No. Okay, I will write. Okay, try remaining part. Now coming to ninth question. What is the ninth question? Carla? I forgot the question. What is the question? What is the question? Okay, curl A cross B. Okay, very easy. Curl A cross B. Don't worry, this is very simple question. This is called a vector identity. One of the vector identity. Okay. Proof. Curl of A cross B. Curl of A cross B. Sigma notation is sigma I cross dou by dou x of A cross B. So differentiate using UV formula. Sigma I cross dou A by dou x cross B plus A cross dou B by dou x. Now multiply with I cross sigma I cross dou A by dou x cross B plus I cross A cross dou B by dou x. Okay. Now here we will apply a known formula which is in our vector algebra. A bar cross B bar cross C bar equals to A bar dot C bar into B minus A bar dot into B bar into C bar. So we will use this formula for simplifying the remaining result. This is A, this is B, this is the A, B, C. Okay. Curl A cross B equals to left hand side equals to sigma I, this is A dot C, I dot B into dou A by dou X. Okay. Minus I dot dou A by dou X into B. This is first one. In the similar way, sigma the A dot C, I dot dou B by dou X into A minus I dot A into dou B by dou X. Okay, if you simplify, you will get the required result. Okay. Now simplification. Now interchange dot product, if you can interchange these two, A dot B equals to B dot A. That's why I will interchange these two, B dot I dou A by dou X. Okay, sigma I dot dou A by dou X B. Now here sigma I dot dou B by dou X into A minus sigma So interchange these two, A dot I into dou B by dou X. Now simplification, final result. So B is constant here. Sigma I dou A by dou X is sigma I dou by dou X is nothing but del. So using this concept, sigma I dou by dou X is del into A. The remaining term is A. Now this is sigma I dot dou A by dou X is divergence of A into B plus A into divergence of B minus A is constant. Sigma I dou by dou X is del B. So finally, curl A cross B equals to A divergence of B minus B divergence of A minus A dot del B plus B dot del A. So very easy result. Okay, easily you can find the result. Now coming to the last question. 10th question. Okay, I will share the result. Don't worry. Okay, I will copy this one. Then we will discuss the remaining part. Okay. Last question, 10th question. Okay. Prove that some value is given. Okay, now we will discuss the solution or proof. So first, del cross A bar cross R bar by R power N. Del cross is nothing but curl. Curl sigma notation is sigma I cross dou by dou X of A bar cross R bar by R power N. Okay. Now first find the derivative using U by V rule. Okay. This is sigma I cross U by V rule. R power N into dou by dou X of A bar cross R bar minus A bar cross R bar into derivative of R power N is N R power N minus 1 into dou R by dou X divided by R power 2N. Okay. Now simplification. Here R power N, R power N both are cancelled. Dou by dou X of A cross R bar. Here A is constant vector. Now A cross R bar into here A R power N cancel. So here we have one more R power N plus 1 R power N plus 1 into dou R by dou X. Okay. Sigma I cross. So again using UV formula find the partial derivative. 1 by R power N into A bar cross dou R bar by dou X. First term. Second term is dou R by dou A by dou X. A is constant vector, so that's why this term is 0. So no need to write the second term because this is constant vector. Minus A bar cross R bar by R power N into X by R. Because dou R by dou X equals to X by R. Okay. Now simplification. Sigma I cross. So A cross dou R by dou X is I by R power N. Here minus A bar cross R bar into X by R power N minus, sorry here, n plus 1, n plus 2. Okay. Now coming to solution. Now dot product. I cross I. Okay, first I will write the first term. I cross A cross I by R power n. Here sigma I cross A cross R bar into x by R power n plus 2. Okay. Now again using the triple product A cross B cross C formula. So finally you will get the required solution. Sigma 1 by R power n into I dot I 1 into A minus I dot A into I. Okay, I will explain the latter, this meaning. So I dot I is 1 into I dot A into I. So using the formula A cross B cross C formula. So using this formula directly A dot C into B minus A dot B into C. In the similar way, here x by R power n minus n plus 2 into I dot R bar into x, okay, minus I dot A into x. Okay, we will discuss one by one. Okay. Final conclusion. Now, very, very important conclusion. This is the crucial part. Now, listen, this part. Okay, what is I dot A? A equals to A1I plus A2J plus A3K. So dot product with A is nothing but A1. So first term is 1 by R power n into A minus A1 into I. Okay. Now here sigma 1 by R power n plus 2 into x square into I dot R bar equals to I dot R bar. Right. X I dot R bar is R bar equals to xi plus yj plus zk. Somewhere it is wrong. Right. I will check that again. What is the answer? Okay. First we will see the answer, then find out the mistake. I think there are no mistake. We will simplification. Okay. R dot A bar into R bar. Okay. Okay. In this fashion, we will simplify. In this fashion, we will simplify. Okay. A simple manipulation. Okay. I will check the manipulation. But no mistake, but they have to change into in this form. Okay, this is okay. I will check the once again. I will check the condition. From starting onwards, I will check the condition. A cross R bar by R power n is dou by dou x of A cross R bar by R power n. Using U by V rule, R power n into dou by dou x of A cross R bar minus A bar cross R bar into r power n derivative is n r power n minus 1 into dou r by dou x. Up to this clear. So now dividing with r power n cancel 1 by r power n. Dou by dou x of a cross r bar into a bar cross r bar into here r power n cancel. If r goes to denominator, r power n plus 1. Here one term is missed. The term is n.
N, sir.
N missed. Okay. The term n is missed. Okay. Here n. N is missed. Okay. Now again find the derivative using UV formula a cross dou r by dou x. So a is constant, second term is not required. Now this is n into a cross r bar into dou r by dou x is x by r. Here we have one more n. Okay. Now coming to dou r by dou x is I. A cross I by r power n. I cross, okay, n a cross r bar into this one. Okay. X by this value. Okay. 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 Now I will change the second part. For the required condition, I will change the second part for getting the required proof. So first part is very simple. I cross A cross I. So using A cross B cross C formula, 1 by r power n into I cross I into I cross I dot I into A, that is A. I dot A into I. Here I will write a simple manipulation. So if you write X here, then what happens? Xi cross A cross R bar. Okay. Very simple manipulation. I will write X is a scalar quantity. We can write anywhere. But I think suitable place is here. I will write here. Okay. I will erase the second. So this is A1 already discussed here up to this same. This is 1 by r power n plus 2 into, I think n is also missed again. N is there. N is also there. N by r power n. So if you write sigma for here, what happens? Sigma xi cross A cross r bar, because remaining terms are constant. So no need to write the term. Now expand the summation. Here 1 by r power n into first term is a minus a1i. Second term is a minus a2j. Third term is a minus a3k. Okay. Here n by r power n minus 2 into n plus 2 into this is r bar. R bar cross a bar cross r bar. Okay. Now if you observe, if you observe 1 by r power n into a plus a3a, a1i minus a1i plus a2j plus a3k is also a, minus n by r power n plus 2 into a. Now we will apply a cross b cross c formula. A, b, c. First r bar dot r bar into a minus r bar dot a into r bar. Okay. I think, okay. Okay, now it is correct. No doubt. R cube into 2a. Now this is r bar dot r bar is r square. R square cancel n a by r power n. Here minus or minus plus. So is it correct sign? Okay. I think correct. Okay, correct. Okay. Minus or minus plus n into r bar dot a into r bar by r power n plus 2. Now see the final result. Here a is common term. Here this is not r cube, r power n. Now this is 2 minus na by r power n plus n into r bar dot a into r bar by r power n plus 2. This is same as our required solution. So now just observe the result, then manipulate it.